This is an event where they're donating backpacks and school supplies to needy children. My understanding is that this project supports some 50 schools in the Fairfax County area. It's led by the Fairfax County Fire Department, and a number of volunteer organizations and companies in the local area are supporting it.
Today's goal is to give our kids a fresh start, to give our kids an opportunity. We feel the stuff in these backpacks, providing these school supplies, are going to give our kids an advantage of starting off well, starting the school year well, and feeling included with their classmates. We've had a lot of support from volunteers today, and looks like we're still getting backpacks and supplies donated as we speak.
They're coming from financial donations that have been made from local businesses, as well as in-kind donations where companies are actually buying the supplies and providing them to the Fairfax County Fire Department, and then they're going into the backpacks and going out to the needy children. Great community event, and we had about 10 or so folks from our business out here, and there's folks from nonprofit organizations, folks from county organizations as well, and it's just a fun event. People are having a great time, and we're all doing a small part to try to give back to our local community. And there's a lot of energy here, and people are having a good time.
I see students here today. We have families who've brought their kids out today to support the effort. But when I think of the Fairfax Fire and Rescue Group, not only are they working 40, 60 plus hours a week as a group and as a team, they find the time and the effort to come out to do not only the back to school supply drives, but they're also involved in many other supply drives that'll come forward later this fall that are going to benefit our students. So the outpouring of the different folks that are here is very special, very special.